You want to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to grow your channel really fast, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in the next 90 days from today. This video is going to be raw value, no gatekeeping, no bullshit. So grab your notepad, get your writing materials ready because it's going to be practical. The reason why your channel is not growing is because you don't have a game plan for your channel. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video. We are going to set a practical, workable goal for your own channel. So at the end of this video, you have a blueprint to growing your YouTube channel. You get back to work. In the next 90 days, you come back here with your results. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a gift that will make this even more practical for you. So I expect in the next 90 days from today, if you put into practice everything you're going to learn in this video, you are coming back with a result. Are you ready to get a result for your channel? Let's dive in. There are 3 things it takes to grow a YouTube channel. The first one is having a workable goal for your channel. The second one is knowing exactly what to do to achieve this goal. And the third one is commitment, sticking to action until you get results. In this video, I'm going to hand over the 3 of them to you. We are going to set a goal. You and I are going to set a goal for your channel. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to achieve this goal. And finally, the commitment. You're going to stick to action to get this result in the next 90 days. This is exactly how I helped one of my clients to grow and get monetized in 90 days. I'm handing over the blueprint to you in this video. So how many subscribers do you have right now? How many watch hours do you have? What do you need to get monetized? Drop it in the comment section. We need to build accountability. Having it in the comment section will help you stay accountable. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka, and on this channel we talk about making money and growing your YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of thing you want to learn, go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. So first, let's set a goal for your channel. To get monetized on YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views on your short videos. For the purpose of this video, we're going to work with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, our goal is to get you monetized in the next 3 months, which is 90 days. I'm assuming you have 0 subscribers, 0 watch hours. So if you have anyone right now, that's an advantage. Let's get into it. If your channel is going to get monetized in the next 90 days, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So to set our goal, we are going to divide the number of subscribers we need by the number of days we need to get it. Let's pull our calculator and do the math. 1,000 divided by 90. And then we're going to have 11.1. Remember, this 90 here is an example. Yours could be 100, 120, or whatever figure you want. So what this means is that if you're going to get monetized in the next 90 days, we need to get 11.1 subscribers on a daily basis. Now, because we are talking about human being, there's nothing like half human being. We're going to make this approximately 12. You need to get 12 subscribers every single day. Now, to the second and the last condition for monetization, which is watch hour. We are going to do 4,000 divided by 90. So 4,000 divided by 90 is going to give us 44.4. What this means is that we need to get 44.4 watch hours every single day. So if this channel is going to get monetized in the next 90 days, we need 12 subscribers and 44.4 watch hours daily. Now, are these figures easy to achieve for a beginner? No. But is it possible? Absolutely. This channel you watch right now gets at least 100 subscribers every day and 150 watch hours daily. If I could do it, you too can do it. So yes, you can. I believe in you. You just need to believe in yourself, put in the action, and we will get the result in the next 90 days. I'm about to show you how to get it done. So now that you've learned to set goal and you've seen how important goal setting for your channel is, I want to give you something that will help you achieve this goal, which is my YouTube channel goal and growth template. This is exactly what I used when I started that helped me grow my channel. And all my students and clients that are growing their channel all use this template. I want to give it to you to help you grow your channel too. So in this book, you're going to get everything you need when it comes to goal setting and achieving your goals. What you've just done now is already done in this book. All you need is just do your calculation and then put in the figures as you get them in this template. Now, at the end of the template, you are going to get a clear view of how you are going to grow and monetize your channel. Not only that, you're also going to get a daily prompt, because sometimes giving up is one of the easiest things to do. So in this book, you're going to get a daily prompt that will help you stay on course. Not only that, I have 4 mind-blowing links in this book that you probably do not know about when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. The links that will open your eyes to things to do, how to do them, where and when to do them. These 4 links are game changers for me and my students. All of these are contained in this book. And because I care about you growing your YouTube channel, this is only for $2, and the link to get it is in the first comment of this video, as well as in the description of the video. You just click on the link and then you're going to get access to the book. Now that we've set the goal, the next thing is knowing exactly what to do to stick to your goal and achieve this goal in record time. And there are a couple of steps you need to take to get this done. The first one is understanding your niche deeply. If you do not understand deeply what your niche is all about, what your target audience wants, and be able to provide that, it is practically impossible to grow your YouTube channel. So you need to sit back and ask yourself a lot of questions about your niche. If you'd love me to make detailed video on this, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do that. The second one is spending quality time researching your competition. Like I always say, there's nothing you're going to do here that is new. People have done it, and a lot of people have succeeded in it. One of the biggest secrets to getting your channel grow and monetize is understanding those who are succeeding. What are they doing differently from those who are not succeeding? Now, you can spend the whole day doing this, and after you must have studied your competition, understand what works and what doesn't work. The next one is action. You need to start taking action. You need to start implementing, creating content. The only way to grow a YouTube channel is to make content. And the more you create, the better you get at it. So content creation is a no-brainer. It's actually one of the things I teach you in my YouTube coaching program, both in the group coaching program and in the one-on-one coaching program. If you are struggling knowing what to talk about in your video, how to make a video that a lot of people love to listen to, you need to sign up for my YouTube coaching program. You can go for a group coaching program, which is affordable, or one-on-one coaching program, which is an executive coaching program. It offers every single thing you need to grow your YouTube channel and get monetized. And finally, the third step, commitment. Commitment is the next big thing. Sticking to action until result is achieved. This is a no-brainer. People that succeed are those who are committed to doing the work. So you actually need to let your goals inspire you. What do you want to achieve? What is that thing that will change in your life if you achieve this goal? So you need to find that one thing that will help you stay committed to your goal. YouTube will change your life if you stick to growing it, if you stay committed to growing and monetizing your channel. And yes, you can do it. A lot of us are doing it, and if we could do it, you too can. So get to work and get the result you desire. Please give this video a thumbs up if you got value, and see you in my next video.